Ever wondered how vital it is to assess the integrity of deep foundation elements? Well, it's crucial. Imagine the consequences if a skyscraper's foundation was compromised. It's a scenario no one wants to contemplate. That's where cross-hole sonic logging, or CSL, comes into play. This sonic testing method for board piles is a game changer in the world of civil engineering. First off, preparation is key. Access tubes must be fitted into the pile before the concrete is poured. This might seem like a small step, but it's a vital one. Next up is the equipment setup. Here, a specialized CSL device is required, complete with an ultrasonic transmitter, receiver, and a data acquisition system. This setup is not as complex as it sounds, but it's the heart of the operation. Now, we come to the testing procedure. The ultrasonic transmitter and receiver are lowered into the access tubes. The transmitter then sends out ultrasonic pulses. These pulses travel through the concrete and are picked up by the receiver in the adjacent tube. Data analysis follows. The received signals are analyzed for any variations in their strength and velocity. Consistent signals are indicative of good concrete quality, while weak or delayed signals could point to defects such as voids or inclusions. The interpretation stage is next. Here, the data is used to create a profile of the pile's integrity. Defects are typically identified as areas with slower velocities and weaker signal strengths. Output? Finally, a detailed report is compiled. This includes the test data, analysis, and any recommendations for remedial action if necessary. Bear in mind, CSL is most accurate for piles with diameters not less than 750 mm, and it's typically performed after the concrete has gained sufficient strength. For smaller diameter piles, alternative integrity testing methods may be applied. Testing should be undertaken on the first completed pile in a particular foundation, and construction of succeeding similar piles may be allowed only after acceptance of the test pile based on the results. However, to ensure a more detailed procedure and to comply with specific project requirements and local regulations, consulting with a professional engineer or a specialist in pile testing is recommended. In summary, cross-hole sonic logging is an indispensable tool in the realm of civil engineering, ensuring the integrity of deep foundation elements. Its procedure, though complex, is easy to follow when broken down into steps. The importance of CSL cannot be overstated, as it is a key factor in the safety and longevity of structures. Remember, the strength of a structure lies in its foundation, and CSL helps ensure that foundation is solid.